Hi guys, these are the gears I have that I'm packing for my upcoming Melbourne trip. I've got two full frame cameras. One is Canon 5D Mark III with telephoto lens of 70 to 200, and the other one is Canon R5 16 to 35 mm lens. I've got other two lenses. I've got Benro Tortoise 24C model tripod. I've got DJI Mavic 3 drone. I've got Nisi filter with ND filter and circular polarizer. I've got few battery packs. That's like 5 of them, so I might not need it. So just to be safe, carrying everything. And I've got few equipments to clean,